Hi everyone. Do you like the cinematic footages that you've just seen? In this video I would like to share with you a LUT which I used on those shots. Using this LUT you can make your video content cinematic and more professional. I'm gonna show you right now how to download, install and correct this LUT in VN Editor using your mobile phone. You can also use this LUT in any video editing software, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve and others. First step to get this LUT for free is looking for a password which appears twice in the top right corner during the video. Second, you should follow the link which is down below this video, in the description. Or, you can go directly to our website which is presetstore.com. Find this LUT. Open the page with the LUT. Click download the LUT button. Write the password from this video and click apply button. Wait for some time. And download the LUT. So now when you got the LUT, you should import it into VN. Open VN Editor on your mobile phone. Choose some videos that you want to apply the LUT on. And now, go to the Filter tab and press the plus icon. Press Import from File Manager and choose the LUT that you've just downloaded from our website. The filter is applied now. Let's modify it a little bit by intensity and adjust setting. Check it out. It looks much better now. Let's repeat the same steps for other videos and look at the final result. I like this shot, looks very professional. Let's do it the last time. This is it. I hope your shots got much better. If this LUT doesn't fit with your shots, try another one which you can find on our channel. Or you can also get more versions of this color grading. Find the link in the description. And moreover, you can get the same Lightroom preset. The link in the description as well. Please leave your comment if you are interested in getting more content like this. Have a great day guys. See you again in the next one.